She sells seashells by the seashore. Can you say this tongue twister fast? She sells seashells by the seashore. Let's begin day 2. First, listening practice. I am doing my listening practice using a lesson from Allo. Let me show you.
Conversation 2.
Conversation
Hey,
2.
Beth, how is your first day?
It is really good. This school is great.
Hey Beth, how is your first day? It is really good. This school is great.
Are your classes?
How are your classes?
Fun.
They are
My
fun.
teachers are so
My teachers
nice.
are so
Who are
nice.
your teachers?
Who are your
My
teachers?
English teacher
My
is
English
Mr.
teacher was
Wong.
Mr. Wong.
He's
Oh,
really nice.
he's really
Yes,
nice. Yes, he
My
is.
Spanish teacher is
Mrs. Garcia.
She
Oh,
is really nice
she's
too.
real nice too.
Yes, her
Yes,
class is a lot of fun.
her class is a lot of fun. These conversations are easy to understand and are designed especially for beginners like me. Now, daily most used sentences. 30 sentences. First, I write them down in my notebook and then I practice them in front of mirror. Please try again. Please try again. Please wait a bit. Please wait a bit. Please be seated. Please be seated. Please reply. Please reply. Please stay a little longer. Please stay a little longer. Please don't embarrass me. Please don't embarrass me. Free up space. Hold your tongue. Donate generously. Please help me. Go to the doctor. Think big. Do big. Think about your future. You sit here. Bring a cup of tea. Bring a cup of tea. Please send your image. Please send your image. Don't be a fool. Please let me do my work. Please let me do my work. We don't want to live here. We don't want to live here. Could you meet me right now? Could you meet me right now? I didn't see him. I will learn English surely. I will learn English surely. How old are you? How old are you? The show is about to start. Is there any problem? Is there any problem? How long will it take? Why do you trouble yourself? Why is the road closed? What movie is on today? What movie? What movie is on today? What are you looking for? These sentences help me learn how to use English naturally in daily conversation. They are simple, practical, and easy to use. I practice these sentences regularly because they help me express my thoughts more easily in English and build confidence in real life conversation. Now, reading practice. I read Panchatantra story to improve my reading ability. An ant and a pigeon. There was a river, water flowing in it was crystal clear. Sound of flowing water was heard continuously during the day and night. How enjoyable it is to be there. A peepal tree was there near the river. One pigeon lived on it. It cooked the whole day. There was a hole near the tree. Ants live in it. During the day, there was a continuous movement of ants. Ants always went to the river to drink water. One day, an ant went there to drink water. Suddenly, she suppressed a splash of water and she started flowing in it. The pigeon sitting on the tree saw it. He said to himself, "How can I save the ant? If I catch her in my beak, she will be crushed." I read the whole story normally and then try to understand its meaning. At the same time, I underline the word which I don't know. And I really enjoy this process. Now I am sharing with you my writing practice. Here I wrote down my thoughts. I read few lines for you. Why I created this YouTube channel. I am an introvert person. Because of this, I can't socialize and not comfortable to talk to anyone, especially the another language English. But current scenario, English is most important skill and I have to know. So I wanted to learn and speak it. I think a lot what to do, how will I improve. I did many things to learn it, but I stuck on the same situation. I was hesitant, lack of confidence, not speak even a single word in front of anyone in English. I have no English speaking partner. I want to practice with someone. I thought, what will they think about me? They judge me. I want to speak. I think a lot what to do. And last year I saw many YouTube videos regarding this. While watching those videos, I realized YouTube gives us wonderful platform where I share my journey of English practice. So you can see how I wrote my thoughts in English. I might make few mistakes, but that's how I learn and improve. I am an English speaker now and continue to learning more better English. Now it's a time for pronunciation practice. Today I focused on correct pronunciation of bathroom words. As we all know the name of these, but sometimes we mispronounce them. So let's practice with me. Toothbrush. My toothbrush is pink. Shower. I have a shower every day. Toilet. Please flush the toilet after you use it. Razor. He bought a new razor today. Tap. Turn the tap on. Towel. Fold the towels and put them away. Shower curtain. This shower curtain is made of plastic. Bathrobe. My bathrobe is white. Sponge. I use a sponge in the bath. Shower cap. This shower cap will keep your hair dry. And last one is mirror speaking practice. Frankly speaking, I am an introvert person and I don't socialize easily, which is very powerful for building confidence. And as you know, I have shared this in a separate video. This practice has really given me confidence. I hope this video is helpful for you. All the best for your journey too. See you soon.